Hello friends, now to solve this equation, we follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for of, we convert into multiplication and we solve square roots, cube roots and exponents under the O, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the step 1, calculate the first part of. Start by finding the 25% of 960. So 25% is 1 upon 4 of 960. So now you can cut down the values and you will get 240. According to this step, the BODMAS says we handle off multiplication of the percentage first to simplify the terms before adding them. So the first part of the expression simplifies is 240. Now the second step, second is 30% of 400. So 30% of 400 is equal to 30 upon 100 multiplied by 400. Now cut it down the zeros and after multiplying you will get 120. So according to this step, we simplify the second of the group of the term independently to prepare for the final addition, and the second part of the expression simplifies by the 120. Now the third part, perform the addition. Now you can see the left hand side part, there is a addition. Now add the results from the step 1 and step 2. So now calculate 240 plus 120 is equal to 360. Now according to this step, following BODMAS, after solving the off components, we perform the addition. And the total value of the left hand side of the equation is 360. Now next step, it's step 4, solve for the x. Now you can see on the right hand side part, we now set the left hand side equal to the right hand side. So the equation becomes 360 is equal to x upon 100 and then multiplied by 2000. Now simplify the right hand side part. So first 360 is equal to cut it down the zeros and then after is, so now x equals to 360 upon 20. Transposing the values after cutting down you will get 18. So now the result x equals to 18. To find the percentage value, we divide the total sum by the simplified multiplier to the target number. Missing value is 18 and looking at the given options, and option D is the correct answer. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.